Hi, I'm Ryan, the Frugal Analyst. If you bought these paper I-bonds from your federal income tax refund, I will show you how to convert them to your online Treasury Direct account. Now, the advantages of doing this are that you can redeem your I-bonds online, know precisely the value of the I-bonds, and reduce your chance of losing the paper bills. The cons are you have to send the paper I-bonds by mail, and it takes roughly 13 weeks for the whole process to complete. So in this video, let me show you step by step on how to convert your paper I-bonds into your Treasury Direct account. Step number 1, create a conversion account in your Treasury Direct online account. I'm assuming that you already have a treasurydirect.gov online account. If not, you can sign up for free. Next, go to Manage Direct. If this is your first time making a conversion account, you will see a button to create a conversion link account. Go ahead and make your conversion account. When you are inside your conversion account, it should show two lines in the top right corner. To go back to your regular account, click the hyperlink where you see your regular account number. Now let's go back to your regular account. Click Manage Direct. A new section appears called Manage My Conversions. Click Access My Conversion Link Account. And this is the account to convert your paper I-bonds into electronic form. Remember that the conversion and regular accounts are separate, but the user interface looks very similar. Step number 2, initiate bond conversion request. Inside your converter account, go to Manage Direct, click Convert My Bonds, then select Add Registration. If you don't have one, click Add Registration. Next, type in your bond type, denomination, serial number, and issue date. Add as many paper I-bonds as you like. After you are done, click View Cart, check the data, and create a manifest. Step number 3, mail documents to Treasury Direct. Now that you have the instructions, send both the instructions and the actual paper I-bonds to Treasury Direct. Do not sign the back of the I-bonds. Make sure you sign the bottom of the instruction sheet. You'll need an envelope and stamps to send the documents by mail. Now, if you're worried about the letter being lost, you can send it with certified mail. I called Treasury Direct to ask what if they are lost, and they said it is insured. Maybe they have some way to recover the bonds if it is lost. I keep a copy of the Treasury bond picture just in case something happens. After you send the document, in roughly 1 week, I get an email confirming that Treasury Direct received my submission. It does take an additional 13 weeks for the I-bonds to be processed into my account. Afterward, you could see and redeem I-bonds in Treasury Direct online portal inside the conversion account. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more finance videos.